How's it everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It is so freaking early this morning, but I have an appointment in Paro North, which happens to be close to Powerflow Bellville. And as you guys will have seen in the previous video, the bug has officially button for me to start doing some modifications on the BM. So I thought that I'll make a turn there at Powerflow and just have a chat to the guys to see what they can do in terms of assisting me with giving the car a bit more of a grunty sound. And I know, although this being a diesel variant, it might not be the ideal thing to do, but I'm just hoping for something a little bit beefier to match the looks of the car. So let me head on over to my appointment, and then when I check back in with you guys, I will be at Powerflow Bellville. So we've made it here to Powerflow Bellville, and I'm officially going to be removing that chunky old rear silencer. So let's go inside and speak to the guys and see what they can offer us today. At this point that I realized it was actually quite a large diameter piping on the current exhaust system, and I knew that removing the rear muffler was the correct decision. And here in here we is the fabricated ignition is starting to grind off that rear muffler. For a 76mm twin-tip signature tailpiece to finish off that final look. Emil now positioning those new tailpieces to make sure that they look centered in the factory diffuser. So what does this tool now do? Open it up. Okay. And then that slides over. And this is the final mock-up before the complete setup is welded onto the existing exhaust piping, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to see this thing finished and listen to what it sounds like coming through those twin exits. Now that's what I'm talking about. This looks so sick, and I can't wait to hear the car fire up, and I'm hoping that it will still sound just as good as it did with that rear muffler off. And that's about a wrap for this vlog. And as you guys will have seen and heard from that cold start, everything sounds super crisp and clean. And I'm very happy with the fitment of that straight pipe and twin tailpiece exit. So big thumbs up to Ashley and Emil of Powerflow Bellville. If any of you are looking at having some exhaust work done, then I will link Ashley's details in the description below. But thank you guys for watching and making it till the end. If you have made it this far, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, as well as hit that bell icon for notifications of new vlogs that will be dropping shortly. Till the next one guys, remember, your ball, your rules, stay motivated. Cheers.